In this tutorial, we will going to talk about Admob Mediation. We will going to add Unity Ads as a mediation network for Admob. In the previous tutorial, we added the Admob ads in our mobile game project. We integrated app open, native, interstitial, banner, and the rewarded video ads for the Admob ads. Now we will going to add the Unity ads in our project for as the Admob Mediation network. First, go to the Admob. As we have created these apps in the Google AdMob account and added the ad units for them, they will automatically going to be displayed. If we go to the mediation and click on waterfall sources, you will see that I have already gone and added the ad source Unity ads. To do this, just click on setup ad source, and here you can just choose the ad source. For example, you can choose the ad colony and click next. Once clicking next, we just have it will automatically going to appear over here. After this, click on Unity Ads Waterfall and here click on Ad Mapping. Here you need to provide the Unity Ads game ID. For this, just go to your dashboard and here select the select the Mobile Monetization Pro Demo project and go to Unity Ads Monetization. Here, click on the settings. Here, as a mediation partner, you need to click on edit and here select I plan to use mediation. And for the mediation partner, you need to choose Google AdMob. Just after choosing it to be the Google AdMob, just click save. After doing this, click on placements. And here on top, you can see the Android game ID as well as the iOS game ID. Just click on the Android game ID and go back to Google AdMob and paste the Unity Ads game ID. Click on the banner ad mapping, and here you need to just copy and paste the placement ID. Go back to the Unity Ads and here copy this banner Android and paste it over here. And for the mapping name, you can type here banner. Now click on add mapping for the interstitial Android and here copy and paste the placement ID for the interstitial Android. Just call the mapping name to be interstitial and rewarded Android. Just copy and paste the rewarded Android over here and paste it again over here. And for the mapping name, just call it to be rewarded and then click save. After this, go to credentials and here you need to add your API as well as the organization code ID. After adding, just click on save. Here you can do the same for the iOS platform. Go back to the mediation group and create a mediation group for all these three. Choose the ad format to be banner, platform to be Android and click continue. For the mediation group name, we can type here banner Android. Click on add ad unit and add this game and click done. Scroll down under the waterfall, click on add ad source and here you can search for Unity ads and select it. For the manual ECPM, you can type 0.01 and click continue. Click done. As you can see, if you look at over here, the placement and well as the game ID is automatically added as we did in the waterfall option. Click done and click save. Close this. Create mediation group and this time choose interstitial and platform to be Android and here type interstitial Android. Add ad unit and choose your game and here for the ad source just click on add ad source and here search for Unity ads again, select it, type the ECPM to be 0.01 and click done and click save. And finally we need to do it the same for the rewarded video ad. Just click on rewarded, choose the platform to be Android, type here rewarded Android, add ad unit, click done and below for the waterfall just add ad source Unity ads. Just click continue, done, and click save. Great, so we successfully created the mediation groups in the Admob. Now Go back to Unity, go to Tools, Integration Tool, and here you need to choose the integration to be mobile ads and the ad network to be Admob. And here you need to download the adapters for the Unity ads. To do this, just click on Download Adapters, and here just click on Unity ads. It will going to install the Unity ads adapter as a zip file. Just extract the zip file, and back in back in Unity, you need to import the package over here. After extracting, just import the package over here. Great. As you can see, I have already imported it. So that's why it's not. It's saying that all the assets are already imported. Just click OK. Great. Now, if you go to the Ads Manager, here you need to make sure to enable this checkbox Debug Ad Inspector, as it will going to tell us whether the Unity Ads adapter is successfully initialized and added in the game or not. As well as you need to drag and drop the Ad Inspector button. When we will going to click on the Ad Inspector button, we will be able to see all the ad units, as well as we will be able to see the networks that we are using in the game. We just need to enable this button, exist in the menu, and go back to the Ads Manager and simply drag and drop it over here. Great. So now we are ready to test the game in the Android device. Go to File, Build Settings, and then simply build and run the game. On my Android device, let's first click on Allow Notification, and then after you can see the GDPR consent message appearing. Let's click on Consent. By default, we will be able to see the Admob ads in the game. Let's click on Mediation Test, and now, as you can see, rewarded Android app open ad, interstitial banner, and the native that we created in the previous tutorial in the part 1. But this time, as we have added the Unity ads as a mediation network for the Admob, if you click on the adapters, you will see Unity ads over here. And if you look at it over here, adapter is already initialized and the SDK version we are using. Below you can see single ad source test. Just click on it, and here just choose Unity ads, as this is what we want to test, and click on Start Test. Basically, this will require us to restart the game. Let's restart it. If you click on the mediation test, as you can see, the app open ad we are using is from the Admob network, and the rewarded is from the Unity ads, as well as the interstitial Android is from the Unity ads. But you can notice that the banner Android has no fill. Why? Because if you look at over here, Unity banner have zero fill rate for India, means Unity don't have banner ads for India. As I live in India, I'm not able to receive Unity banner ads. Back in mobile game, let's close this, let's click on play, and let's try to click on the retry button, and we can see the interstitial ad from Unity. Let's close it. Here is the rewarded video ad. Click on claim. Great. So you can add multiple ad networks. For the Admob mediation, just install their adapters and set them up in the Admob dashboards, just like how we did for the Unity ads. For other networks, there is an documentation provided by each of the network how to set up the mediation with Admob. You can watch them. You can apply the same for the iOS. This is it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching this video.